Factoring a multivariate polynomial by grouping, problem type 2. I've written lots of steps over here, so let's kind of go through those. The first thing is you need to figure out if it's going to work. Okay, and I say is it going to work based on this being your first step. So if you remember our factor by grouping, from our previous topic, we started with a squiggle line, we factored the left side, then the right side, and we factored both sides. Okay, so if you do that with this problem, chances are, actually I'm going to let you know, that it won't work. Okay, so if you get to a problem where it won't work, you need to rearrange it. Now I've kind of noticed that this is probably a good idea of how to arrange it. So the first thing would be to move the item that's got the square first. So if you notice, this has got the square, so we're going to put this in the front. Okay, the next is the larger number. So if you look, 20 is what I'm referring to as a larger number. So we're going to put the negative 20y here. Okay. The next one says no number. Okay, so in this case I have two letters here. There's no actual number listed. So we're going to put plus yx. And then the last one is number variable or number letter. And so we're going to put that negative 4x here. Okay, so this is a good kind of shortcut, if you will, to kind of help you get them arranged correctly. And chances are majority of them will need to be rearranged in this topic. And so once you have them rearranged, that's when our regular grouping steps started. So we need to draw our squiggle line right down the middle. Okay, on the left side, what can we take out? Well, we can take a 5y out. So divide 5y, divide 5y. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 2 minus 1 is y. Negative 20 divided by 5 is negative 4. Our y's cancel. Okay, now we go to the right side. And looking at the right side, we can take an x out of both. So we're going to divide an x. So that means these cancel and these cancel. So we've got y minus 4. And our last step, we have to factor from both sides, which is our parentheses, assuming we've done everything correctly. So we've got y minus 4. That's what we're factoring out, because remember, we got to set that aside. We got to put it in the savings account first. And now we put the leftovers. So our leftovers is 5y plus our x. And this whole thing is your answer.